My name is Kelly Smith, and I work on navigation and guidance for Orion. Before we can send astronauts into space on Orion, we have to test all of its systems. And there's only one way to know if we got it right: fly it in space. For Orion's first flight, no astronauts will be aboard. The spacecraft is loaded with sensors to record and measure all aspects of the flight in every detail. As we get further away from Earth, we'll pass through the Van Allen belts, an area of dangerous radiation. Radiation like this could harm the guidance systems, onboard computers, or other electronics on Orion. Naturally, we have to pass through this danger zone twice, once up and once back. But Orion has protection. Shielding will be put to the test as the vehicle cuts through the waves of radiation. Sensors aboard will record radiation levels for scientists to study. We must solve these challenges before we send people through this region of space. What
of the strangest places on the ocean's floor was only just discovered in the 1990s. I might agree as one of a handful of people to ever see it in person.
Without a doubt, one of the most amazing things that I had ever seen in the bottom of the ocean. It was while filming for Blue Planet. It was in the Gulf of Mexico. And I noticed there's something out in the distance. Couldn't tell exactly what, but it looked like a dark band. And as we approached it, the dark band became a donut. I saw this donut that was black in the center. What the heck is that? And so as we get closer and closer to it, I noticed that the black band had what appeared to be kind of steam over it. And then I looked, and there was water lapping against the shoreline. This band was a ring of mussels. And inside the ring of mussels was a lake. And it's like, wait a minute, I'm already underwater. We went out over the water in this lake and tried to descend in it and bounced off. It was so super saline and dense that the submarine couldn't go down in it. We literally bounced off, and as we bounced off, we sent ripples heading back to the shoreline. It was insane. I've never seen anything like it.
Little islands of mussels in there.
They'll make a living wherever they can.
Is that white in the middle? Is that salt or is that bacterial mass?
It's barite. It's barium sulfate.
Oh.
It's precipitating out of the brine. Yeah, that's all barite. That barite precipitate. And then Bob, if you look down in this corner, in the lower right-hand corner of that little pool, the side pool, I think you might see the brine actually seeping out of that little hole in the wall down there.
You can see the shimmering of the surface of the brine. So it's a different density. It's super salty water, and that's what's making it compress and stay almost like this underwater lake that you're seeing.
Oh yeah, you can see it there on the right.
Yeah, just
how
it's like a current. You can see the current. Let me go in just gaining it. Thanks, Mary. Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's just...
Whoa, look at that.
It's just mind-boggling to see ripples on the bottom of the ocean.
Yes, it's like a lake, and it just... People keep now feverishly typing in what makes it not mix, and
because it's 3 to 4 times the salinity of seawater.
Yeah, so it's acting
look at
more
that
like
one.
a solid.
We're stirring it up now.
Yeah. That's good, because we're already kind of in the...
I was going to switch it to bubble cam.
They're just starting to dip the front porch in there.
A lake in an ocean.
Charles, how does it compare to the other brine pools we've been in so far today?
So we have methane than the 2 previous ones.
Was that what you were expecting to see?
Yeah.
Great. Interesting.
Can I zoom in on that real quick?
Yeah, that's super neat.
Sure. What are you zooming on?
On that curl right down there?
Yeah. I mean, it's amazing that that's just the densities of the water, the super salty, briny water and the surrounding seawater.
It's just cool.
So, yes.